My family lives in a small house. It's simple but pretty. It has a large garden. I like to work in the garden, but my sister hates to work in the garden. She prefers I she prefers to read. She reads. She reads in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. I give all of the veg I I give all of the vegetables to mom and dad. They like to cook in our small kitchen. I eat any vegetable, but my sister eats only a few. My family always eats breakfast and dinner together. We talk, we laugh, then my sister washes the dishes. At night, dad likes to listen to music. Mom works on the computer. I watch television and my sister reads. Soon we go to bed. My parents go to bed late, but my sister and I go to bed early. I'm ready to go to sleep, but my sister wants to keep reading.
Okay. I heard you